Hello, world. Today we will be learning how to create and send data over a network using sockets. Sockets allow you to send data over a network. First of all, we need to import the socket library. I'm going to create a socket called client socket. This means that you're connecting to an IP version 4 IP address. And this means we're connecting to TCP rather than UDP. Now, I'm going to tell the socket what IP address and port number to connect to. Of course, I will use localhost. Port numbers go from 0 to 95535. Let's send some data over the socket. This turns the data being sent into binary. I'll let the user enter a message. So, we've made a connection to a TCP server. Now, let's make a TCP server. Again, we need to create a socket and bind the socket to listen to a port. I'm going to tell the socket to start listening. 10 is the maximum number of connections. Let's set up an infinite loop, so that the socket will keep listening for incoming connections. If it gets a new connection, accept it, and save the connection and address. This reads 1024 bytes of data from the connection. If the length of the data is greater than 0, then something was sent. Print the data out. Close the connection. Break out of the infinite loop, and close the socket. I'm going to run the program that creates the TCP server in my command line terminal first. Note that it doesn't end or output anything because of the infinite loop. Then I will run the other program. I'll just send hello world. The server has received my data. Stay tuned for next week's video where I make network connections using Python HTTP requests. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more programming content. Bye.